só uma gotada. Se tu não aguentar, chama.
What's up, everyone? Today, I'm going to show you how to create smooth transitions, just like UGAZ in CapCut. We'll break down every step, from keyframes to effects, so you can recreate the style easily and level up your edits. Let's get started.
Add your clips, overlay, audio, and beat markers. Place a keyframe on the first beat. Add another keyframe on the second beat. And reduce the overlay zoom to 60%. On the third beat, add a keyframe, increase the zoom, and set position X to 50. On the fourth beat, add a keyframe and set position X to plus 50. Apply smooth graph easing between all keyframes. Create a new project and add 4 to 5 photos. Set each photo duration to 0.2 seconds. Add a keyframe at the start and end of every photo. Increase the zoom on the first keyframe of each photo. Open animation, go to basic, and apply zoom 1 to all photos. Export the project and your zoom out transition is ready. Return to the first project. Add the zoom out transition overlay on the second beat. Move the overlay behind the PNG layer and adjust it slightly to the right. Match the overlay duration with the beat timing. Open mask, select horizontal, rotate it to 90 degrees and increase the feather. Adjust the mask behind the character and extend it for a smooth effect. Duplicate the same overlay. Set the mask to none and move the duplicate to the left side. Place this overlay behind the PNG layer as well. Apply a horizontal mask again. Set rotation to 90 degrees. Adjust it behind the character. And increase the feather. The transition is now complete and ready to use. Follow for more editing tutorials and see you in the next video.